That is our real benefit. Adhokhaja. In the beginning also of this chapter, it is said, Savai pungsa paro dharma, jato bhakti adhokhaji. The same word, adhokhaji. Ahitukya pratihata jayatma samprasidati. If you want real happiness, then you engage yourself in the service of the Supreme Personality of God, Chimaya. Then you will be happy. And if you take to other demigods, those who are material, that will be not your perfect happiness, but permanent happiness. Therefore in the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Jajanti anna devata, kama, what is that? Hitagyana. Kama is tasya hitagyana. We have read, we have discussed that if you want to fulfill this desire, then you worship this demigod. If you want to be beautiful, then you worship Uma. If you want money, then you worship Prajapati, the treasurer of the demigods, Kuber. In this way there are different recommendations. But the conclusion is that Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, the kamastasya hitagyana, this material kam, lust, desires, for this purpose they worship different demigods. There is no necessity. Krishna stopped demigod worship to his father. When his father was going to arrange a festival for worshipping Indra, and he stopped it. The father was so affectionate, Krishna doesn't want it, all right, stop it. But Indra became very angry. Who is this boy stopping my worship? So he wanted to show his power. So for 7 days torrents of rain, and Krishna showed his power. He lifted the Govardhan hill, Girivaradhari, Govardhan hill to protect the Vrindavan-Vasi. Then he came to his senses that he is not ordinary coward boy, he is my master. Then he so Krishna is Adhokhaja. Adhokhaja means beyond our sense perception. Therefore we have to know Krishna from Krishna, not by our speculation. Krishna means, that is frog philosophy. Frog philosophy is simply calculating with reference to his teeny well, 3 feet. So if we want to speculate, what experience we have got, what knowledge we have got, that we can speculate to understand the supreme, all-pervasive, supreme personality of Godhead. That is not possible. Therefore his name is Adhokhaja. If you want to know Krishna, then you have to take to this process of devotional service, rendering service unto him. Sevanamukhe hi juhado bhejire, bhajadhat. Bhaja means sevaya. So bhejire. You have to take to this devotional service. And Krishna also says, Bhaktya mam avijanati, javan jaschami tattva. He doesn't say by knowledge or by work or by yoga, mystic, yogic power one can understand God. No, that is not possible. These are all akhaja, within the range of our sense perception. But bhakti is not within the range. Bhakti is a transcendental process. Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karma anavritam. Jnana and karma, knowledge and fruitive activities, they are of this material world. And anna vilas, They are all of this material world, Annavilas, desiring other than Krishna. So, leaving aside all these processes, we have to simply serve Krishna anukullena, favorably, as Krishna wants. So at the present moment, Krishna, what does he want? How do you know it? Yes, we can know it. Krishna, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he appeared and he has declared his mission. What is that? Jare dakho tare kaho, Krishna Upadesh. He says, whomever you meet, you simply speak of Krishna. Jare dakho tare kaho, Krishna Upadesh. Krishna Upadesh. The instruction given by Krishna, or the instruction given about Krishna. Just like this Bhagavad. This is instruction about Krishna, how to know Krishna. And instruction given by Krishna is Bhagavad Gita. He says, I am like this. I am like this. So we haven't got to make any research. Whatever is already stocked there, let us distribute it. What capacity you have got to find out Krishna by research? What? That's not possible. That is akhaja. Akhaja. Krishna is adhokhaja. Your paltry research work with limited power of sense, how you can find out Krishna? That is not possible. So we have to take instruction from Krishna to understand Krishna. Krishna says that I am the Supreme. You have to accept that. You cannot interpret in a different way. Yes, Krishna is Supreme, all right, but not like that. Take it as it is. Krishna says, Aham sarvasya prabhava, I am the original source of everything. Because our inquiries, every scientist, every philosopher is trying to find out the ultimate source. That is called progressive science or philosophy. But here we get the information. Why should we take so much trouble? Krishna says, Aham adirhi devana. I am the original of all demigods. Just like Brahma. Brahma is the first demigod within this universe. But he is not original. Original is Krishna. Aham adirhi devana maharshina. So he says that he is the Adi. Adi Purusham. Brahma says Adi Purusham. The original person, Govindam, Adi Purusham, Tamaham bhajami.